Want to make the perfect custom Christmas gift? Today I am customizing mugs using Sublimation. This is easy, fun, and perfect for the holidays. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is day 6 out of 12 of my Craftmas series and we're only halfway through. Today we are diving into Sublimation to create custom mugs. This is perfect for gift giving or personalizing for yourself. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this design with a Sublimation printer, but I will give you some tips if you're using Cricut Infusible Ink. For today's design, I'm going to be using one that I found off Etsy that says sweet but twisted. Does that make me a candy cane? To me, it is festive, funny, and perfect for the holidays. Anyways, in the description down below, I do have all the supplies listed, so let's get started. Here's what you're gonna need. Sublimation paper with ink and a printer. Up on the screen is the model that I am currently using, the ink and the paper. If you happen to not own one of these, you can also use Cricut Infusible Ink. There are other brands too that might be cheaper, so something to look out for. You will need a heat press for mugs or using the Cricut Mug Press. Today I will be using the Cricut Mug Press. Sublimation mugs. I got these red ones from Michael's, which I thought was perfect for Christmas. Heat resistant gloves and tape. Some sort of heat pad or pot holder to put your mug when it's cooling. If you are using a Sublimation printer, start by creating or purchasing a design. I bought this fun candy cane design from Etsy, which I've linked down below, but you can create one yourself using Canva or another design tool. Make sure to measure your mug. Most standard mugs need a design that's about 3.5 inches tall and 9 inches wide. If you're using Infusible Ink, simply search Cricut Design Space for pre-existing designs or use the Mug Press template to make your own. For Sublimation, print your design on Sublimation paper using your Sublimation printer. Whether you're using Cricut Design Space to cut your design or using a Sublimation printer to print your design, make sure that you mirror the design. This is important. Trim the design to size and get it ready for transfer. Take your Sublimation mug and wipe it clean to remove any fingerprints or dust. Place the design face down on the mug and secure it with heat resistant tape. Make sure you do it tightly. The tape will ensure that your design won't move while you're pressing. I'm using the Cricut Mug Press for this project. Plug it in and let it heat. Once the little button up top turns green, that means it's ready. Place your mug into the press and let it heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. The Cricut Mug Press is good about letting you know when it's done. If you're using a heat press for mugs, follow your manufacturer's instructions for time and temperature. Once it's done, carefully peel the tape and the Sublimation paper to reveal the design. This is the most exciting part. I love seeing all the colors pop on the mug. After this, place your mug on a heat pad or pot holder to let it cool. I would recommend not touching it because it's very hot. Anyways, here is the finished mug. I love seeing how the design turned out and I love how it matches the red on the mug. These mugs are super versatile and I feel like everybody needs a mug. Anyways, that's a wrap for day 6 out of 12 days of Craftmas. Customizing mugs with Sublimation is such a fun and creative way to make holiday gifts, and I really hope you give this project a try. If you give this project a try, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know how this turns out for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the rest of the series. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys here tomorrow for day 7, and as always, adios!